Welcome to Digital Content Creators. Is your laptop working slowly? Don't worry, I will give you a solution about speeding up your computer or laptop within 7 easy steps. Watch till the end. Before that, subscribe to channel for more interesting contents. Let's get in. First, you need to do is go to search and type run and hit the enter button. After opening run, type %temp percentage and hit enter, and you can see all these unwanted temporary files. All you need to do is select all these unwanted temporary files and delete this. After deleting this, the step 2 is go to search and type performance, and you can see here adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and open it. After opening it, the system is in adjust for best appearance. All you need to do is select the adjust for best performance and click on apply. And the step 3 is go to graphic properties. In graphic properties, you have to go to power option. In power option, you have to select maximum battery life or balanced mode. The maximum performance will slow down your computer. Remember, all you need to do is select balance mode or maximum battery life and click on apply. And the step 4 is if you have any browser, you must and should close the unwanted tabs. You must and should close the unwanted tabs of your browser. Just close all these unwanted tabs. And step 5 is go to this PC or files and right click on local disk C and open the properties. In properties, you have to select tools, and you can see here optimizing your computer drives can help it run more efficiently. All you need to do is press on the optimize button and it will automatically optimizes your PC. And the step 6 is you have to delete unwanted files or unwanted apps on your computer. Okay, let's see here. The optimize is already running, and you can select the hard disk drive D and E also. If you have F or A or anything, you have to just press this optimize button. It will optimize automatically. And the step 7 is you have to empty your recycle bin. You have to empty your recycle bin, or you have to delete your unwanted files on your recycle bin. Thank you. I hope this information helps you a lot with making your system more speeder. Thank you once again. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment and like, and tell your friends to subscribe to Digital Content Creators channel.